Alright guys, here's the punch list. Pretty much everything's crossed off except for right down here, the fuel pump. And so what's the story with the fuel pump? Well, here's the motor. Actually, this particular motor has no provisions for a mechanical fuel pump. So we're going to actually be installing an electric fuel pump. And I'm choosing to put that out by the fuel tank. I'm going to show you the pump I picked up right here. This is the one I'm going with. Give you a look at what it looks like here. There's your pump, bracket, bunch of hardware. We're going to assemble that and I'll show you where we end up putting this fuel pump. Alright, so we're under the car. There's the gas tank. Here's your sending unit, fuel line supply, vent right here. This is the ground for the tank sending unit. We're thinking probably going to put the fuel pump right about here. I'll show you how the bracket's going to fit. I'm going to have this bracket. I put a little angle in it so it would kick out from the tank. But I think that's going to work. Going to drill a couple holes right now in the floor. I'll put a little metal brace. We'll actually put a rubber isolator here, metal brace on the back side, stiffen this up, and try to keep the sound down. But this is pretty much where we're going to mount it. I'll show you. Punch a couple little. Use my little prick tool here. Center punch. Center punch. Okay. Glasses here. Okay. Got an 1/8 inch drill bit in this little angle drill here. Maybe I can get it working. I don't know. Okay, hang on. There it is, right about there. Right about there. Okay, and then the other guy is right about here. Alright, there you go. So I'll make those holes bigger. I'm going to use 5/16 hardware, make those holes a little bigger from the other side, easier to drill. And we'll keep this project going. Thanks for watching. Okay.